Alright everyone, I have a very quick video to do for you. It's an unboxing video, and look at these. Happy mail. Thank you for supporting my small business. Open me already. Thank you. Those are such cute stickers. Don't you just love it when you get a package and it has stickers all over it? Anyways, I gotta do a quick video because I start work in an hour. So I just got back from the post office, and this is the package from Erynn. She is twistedfaefibreworks. And this is the summer solstice yarn box. So I kind of have an idea what's in here. Sorry, I'm not real picky about, getting this. I just want to get it open because I know there are some really pretty items in here. Okay, and the reveal. Look at this, Twisted Fae Fibre. So we have, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I'm so excited. I was so lucky. Oh, here, I'll just do this. Look, it's a keychain with the little crochet hooks on it. So when you drop a stitch, you've got the different size crochet hooks. That's perfect because I'm always misplacing the one that I have. I actually have a couple of them and I keep misplacing them. But that's got 3 sizes. That's cool. Perfect. All right, so look at this bag. Look at this project bag. Is that not, let me get the box out of the way. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. It's box bottomed. The stitching is really, really nice. It's well done. Sorry, I'm a sewer. I always look at the stitching. But I love the colors. Summer solstice. That's just gorgeous. Okay, so now, all right, let's find the squishy first. There's a squishy. Alright, Twisted Fae Fiberworks, hand dyed in Kamloops, BC. So we have 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 420 yards, 115 grams. So this is fingering sock weight, 4-ply. Look at the colors in that. Now I'm trying to figure out what I want to make with this. Do I want socks? Because those will make some really cool bright socks. I like it. That's a possibility. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, the card. Oh, so I will read that later. That's so cool. Alright, what else? Solstice. I think this is tea. Black tea. Organic ingredients. Cinnamon, orange pieces, lemon balm, lime leaves, natural essences. Oh, nice. And let me see, I think... Oh, we got a couple other little silver packages. Fairy tea. And butterfly papillon. I can actually pronounce that properly. Papillon means butterfly in French. So we have a couple of different like green teas, organic teas. Give those a try. And oh my God, oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision so that you could smell this. Erynn makes soaps, handmade soaps. This one's called Tropical Sunset. So it has Olea Europea, so olive oil, aqua, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, blah, 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 blah. Seed butter, perfume mica. So I don't know if you can see this. It's so pretty. It is really pretty. And it smells, oh, it smells amazing. Okay, that's going in the shower. All right, I think there's a couple other little items in here. So we've got some charms, some stitch markers with stars and a moon and beads. Can you see these? Let me see if I'm focused. There we go. They're very cute. And they've got the earring clasps, so they'll work for either knitting or crochet. And then there's another little sack, and I see a moon. Okay. Okay. Undo. Erynn, did you make all these little bags? Did you really? They're so cute. Alright. And, oh, look at this. Oh my God, I think that's a shawl pin. Well, guess you could use it as a hair clip if your hair is really thick. Mine wouldn't work for that, but if that's a shawl pin, that's gorgeous. Look at that. You got a moon and a little stone hanging off of it, and it's just got the little pressure clip on the back. That is so pretty. And I have shawls that I always need a clip for, so I'm always having difficulty with that. All right, so, and that is it, but you know, you can see the stitching on the bag. She's got the ties so that it pulls in, so you can close it. It's a good size. Like, there's my hand. I've got decent sized hands. That's a good size. It'll fit a really nice project or two. Depends on what you want. It's got a really cool color on the inside that kind of matches with the moons on the outside, so very nice and bright, very easy to see inside. It's perfect. And you know, all the colors kind of go with the yarn and the card, and even the soaps. It's just amazing. So thank you so much, Erynn. Thank you for holding one for me. I really wanted to get on this and do an unboxing, so I will put all the details for this in the comment section, or in the details below the video. So if you want to get a hold of Erynn and get your hands on the next Solstice box, which I know she's putting together already, then contact her, and keep an eye on her Instagram and or Facebook. Can't remember if she's got a link there, but I'll put all the links in the details below. So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and an enjoyable weekend. Bye.